Hello there, this is your host Mrs. M. Breaking into government contracting can feel overwhelming, especially with so many costly tools claiming to guarantee success. But here's the truth, you don't need to spend a fortune to start winning contracts. With free, government-provided websites, you can access everything you need to get started, absolutely free. In this video, we'll cover the top free websites that will help you register your business for government work, find and analyze contract opportunities, research spending trends and awarded contracts, and even prepare for certifications, all without spending a cent. SAM.gov is your first stop for government contracting. It's where the journey begins. Here's what you can do: register your business. Without registering on SAM.gov, you can't do business with the federal government. The process is straightforward but requires accuracy. Search for opportunities. The Contract Opportunities section is a goldmine. You can filter opportunities by keyword, industry, or location. Track awarded contracts. Want to see which businesses have already worked with the government? Use the Contract Data section to find out. Pro tip: pay attention to NAICS codes during registration. These industry classifications determine which opportunities match your business. FPDS.gov is your research powerhouse. It's the place to dig deep into past government spending and learn from history. Why is this important? Identify key agencies. Find out which agencies are spending the most on your industry. Spot competitors. Search past awards to see which businesses are winning contracts similar to the ones you're pursuing. Understand trends. Look at multi-year data to predict which services or products will be in demand. Example, let's say you're in IT. FPDS.gov lets you see which agencies are spending heavily on IT services and even breaks down how much they've awarded in past contracts. USAspending.gov is like a window into federal spending. It goes beyond contracts to include grants and loans. Here's why it's valuable: interactive maps. Visualize where government funds are flowing, whether it's disaster relief, healthcare, or infrastructure projects. Identify high spending areas. Spot regions and industries where the government is investing heavily. Agency profiles. Learn about specific agencies and their spending priorities. Pro tip: use filters to narrow down spending by agency, year, or location. This insight can help you plan your outreach and marketing strategy. The GSA e-library is a must-use for businesses looking to sell products or services through federal schedules. What's in it for you? Research existing listings. See what's already being offered in your industry. Pricing insights. Study how similar businesses price their services or products. Find contacts. Use the site to connect with agencies actively purchasing under the GSA schedule. If you're considering becoming a GSA vendor, the e-library is the perfect place to understand your competition and potential market. Small businesses have unique advantages in government contracting, and SBA.gov helps you unlock them. Here's how. Certifications. Learn about programs like 8A for disadvantaged businesses or HUB Zone for businesses in underutilized areas. Training and guides. Access free webinars and step-by-step guides for navigating the contracting process. Local assistance. Find mentors, counselors, and training in your area through SBA partners. Call-out certifications like 8A and HUB Zone can give you an edge by making your business more competitive for certain contracts. These 5 websites work best when used together. Register your business on SAM.gov. Use FPDS.gov and USAspending.gov to research and plan your strategy. Explore GSA e-library for pricing insights. And rely on SBA.gov for certifications and training. With these free tools at your fingertips, you're ready to take the first step into the world of government contracting. Start exploring today.